Hello guys, this is xOlent Productions here. Hope you're doing fabulous this week. Today I'm gonna show you how to become eligible for the community tab on your YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how to get it through some easy steps. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more of these videos. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, first thing first, to get the community tab on your YouTube channel, you're gonna need at least 10,000 subscribers on your channel. Yeah, because YouTube is just testing out this community tab button, therefore they have set this 10,000 subscribers limited. So you're gonna have to have at least 10,000 subscribers on your channel to get eligible for this option. Alright, so as you can see, there's no tab right now on my channel. The community tab is not here. So but I have at 11,000 subscribers. So I think I'm eligible for this tab. Alright, let's start this to apply. You can see the tab here, help button. Click on it. Alright, now go for the more options here and get support. Click on the get support button here. Get creator support and channel and video features. Click here. Alright, it says email support, request an email reply from a support specialist. Alright, so we're gonna actually send an email to the customer support team. Alright, send an email to our support team. This form is intended for support issues. Please provide product feedback using the send feedback link. Please provide the following information. Alright guys, it's like a form here. First name, last name, your email address, channel URL, and alright guys, after filling up the form, press the submit button to finish things up. Alright, thank you for submitting your request. A member from our team will be in touch soon. Alright guys, a notification email will be sent to your Gmail account from YouTube when your request will be approved. Alright, so this is it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections, and please subscribe to my channel. I like this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching the video.